Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how you can download any Instagram video or reel in your gallery. To do this, first of all, you need to open your Instagram application. So find the video you would like to save in your phone or gallery. Let's suppose I am searching for a suitable video and I want to save this video in my phone. To do this, first of all, you need to click on your share button. Now you have two options, either you can share or you can copy the link. So you can copy here or directly click on the share button. A pop-up will appear and you can copy the link here. So I have copied it, then close Instagram application and go to the Chrome. Tap on the search bar and search for Instagram video downloader. Click on it. You will find many websites here, but you need to click on this app, snapinsta.app. Click on it and here you can paste the copied URL here. Click on it or you can directly tap on paste button to paste the link. So you need to click on download here. Close the ads and you will find the download video button here. Click on it. Close the ads. Then you can find here video is downloading. Wait for a minute. It will take a few seconds or minutes depending upon the size of the video. So here you can see it is downloaded. I can play it. Yes, it is working fine. So hopefully you would like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Pro Geeks channel for more amazing tutorials.